In the bustling city of Mumbai, where dreams find their wings, lies a sanctuary for those seeking to reclaim their crowning glory, Restore Clinic. This is the story of Dr. Ashish Sangavkar, a visionary in the field of hair restoration, who has transformed countless lives through his expertise. Founded in 2005, Restore Clinic stands as a beacon of hope for those in search of the best hair transplant in Mumbai. Located at shop number 08, plot number 101, sector 21, behind Mart, Nerul, Navi Mumbai, India. It is a testament to Dr. Sangavkar's unwavering commitment to the art of hair restoration. With a team of 10 dedicated professionals, Restore Clinic offers a range of services including hair transplant, fuse/fit, liposuction, tummy tuck, rhinoplasty, and dimple creation. Dr. Sangavkar's fee of 700 reflects his belief that quality care should be accessible to all. Beyond hair transplants, Restore Hair Clinic offers additional restoration treatments such as PRP therapy and scalp micropigmentation. Dr. Sangavkar's expertise, coupled with state-of-the-art infrastructure, ensures that every patient receives the highest standard of care. Operating from Monday to Saturday, from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., Restore Clinic is a sanctuary of transformation. Its reach extends to nearby areas like Nerul and Sanpada, as well as cities like Thane, Pune, and Navi Mumbai. Dr. Ashish Sangavkar, the heart and soul of Restore Clinic, is a beacon of knowledge and compassion in the field. His journey began with an MBBS from BVP Pune, followed by D&B surgery from KJ Somaiya Medical College, Mumbai, and a super specialization MCH from the Grant Medical College, Mumbai. For Dr. Sangavkar, every patient is an opportunity for transformation, a chance to restore not only hair but also confidence. The online appointment link is an open invitation to those seeking renewal. Reaching out is made easy through a mobile contact at 88507-76818 or via email at habakadam812@gmail.com. For more information, visit their website link. As the sun sets over Mumbai, it leaves behind a city filled with newfound hope and revitalized confidence, all thanks to the dedicated team at Restore Clinic. They don't just restore hair, they restore lives.